Armed forces of Ukraine destroy enemy Ka-52 helicopter in east. Ukrainian defenders destroyed another Russian attack and reconnaissance helicopter in the eastern direction. Today, the defenders of Ukraine destroyed an enemy Ka-52 attack and reconnaissance helicopter on the eastern front, the press service of the Armed Forces of Ukraine posted on Facebook. The last time Ukrainian fighters shot down an Alligator helicopter was at the end of January this year. It was reported that 3 Ka-52 helicopters were destroyed overnight. As reported, Russia has already lost about 139,770 military personnel, 3,290 tanks, 6,507 armored personnel vehicles, 2,303 artillery systems, and other equipment in the full-scale war waged against Ukraine as of February 15.